Oh yes, boys. Valorant finally came out. Official date, everyone can get it. You guys won't have to watch any more Twitch drops to get the beta. The game's finally freaking out. I'm so excited to play the game now. I haven't played the game for like almost a week or two because I just got a new job and I'm just working every day. I've been working for 4 days now non straight. And I'm still trying to upload and make YouTube videos. So I'm right now gonna be just trying to make just straight up Valorant videos, graphic design videos here and there. I made a video on Fortnite the other couple weeks ago. That got 1K views. I'll probably make a part 2 to that video. Maybe not part 2, but like probably like something else that has to contain with Fortnite thumbnail or something like that. But yeah, so I just made a little video of just me playing with my friend Rising Zero, and nothing much to it though. I didn't get really much those kills. It was just my first game actually playing it after 2 weeks. Just some funny moments and clips I just put in there for like my first game. So yeah, so if you guys wouldn't mind, make sure to subscribe, leave a like if you guys enjoyed the video, comment whatever you guys want to see on the channel, and I'll let you guys watch the video. This has been your boy Deteki, and I'm out. Peace out, guys.
The cleanup crew?
Oh, finally, dude, we can fucking ass.
You guys have mics?
My mom does.
We got mics. I just don't.
Remaining.
Good job.
I see all of them. I see all of them with my new cross. I see everything.
Bruh. B long. B. Fuck that crosshair, dude. The fuck?
Shit. I saw all of them, I think.
And you never miss, bro. You never miss now.
I never miss it. Always land the shot. Always land the shot.
Oh, you got him, bro.
Last player standing.
Trying to say it works.
Good job.
Crosshair difference! It's crosshair difference!
LMAO.
Yeah, good job. I don't think they should put out one ring.
This is a ED, bro. Oh, hey, fuck off.
I have dinner with you.
Bro, we're trying to have a fucking seat, dumbass. Get off the table.
Some
Oh,
tea.
my bad.
You don't fit on the chair.
Fuck off, man. Let us drink tea, bitch.
I'm too thick for the chair.
Yeah, you are.
Fuck off the goddamn.
I see you right now.
Shit, bro.
Push the market.
That doesn't make sense. Why is that so high?
Oh my god, guys. I'm 29 HP. Oh my god, help me, step bro.
Are you in the washing machine? Good game.
Come on! Too easy! Never go negative, bro.
Easy first game, bro.